Tita Rika, I draw a phone.
Yes.
Like your phone. Blueberries.
Blueberries everywhere. Blueberries. Blueberries here. Yes.
When it's gonna be full?
Let us see the bucket. I need to fill the big bucket. It's only $1 per pound, so it's cheap. But we have to pick our own blueberry. You pick for your own.
My mom said I can drive this car again.
Yeah, you can.
Yay.
See?
Ooh, I can draw.
What?
I can draw a melon.
Yeah, let me see what's the melon look like.
Look.
Let me see.
Look at my melon.
Oh yeah, it looks like melon. It's a realistic melon.
I can draw seeds. Or I can draw some.
Just see, draw it and I will check if it's okay. If it looks.
Thumb. I draw thumb.
Oh yeah.
That's my thumb. Can I draw your thumb?
Yeah.
Can you give me your thumb?
Ju-
Like this.
Yeah, just one moment.
Ready? And I will draw your.
Yeah.
I'm over here helping Tita Rika. Your finger. Your finger.
Ah yes, it's big, right?
Yep. I draw your nail polish with it.
With nail polish. What color is the nail polish?
Gold.
Gold. Oh yeah.
You like gold?
Yes.
Or are the Eli? What are you doing there? No, you're not. I can draw your teeth.
You can draw my teeth?
Yep.
Okay. Draw it, then I will check after. Ah yeah, beautiful teeth. White teeth, right?
Yep. I can draw your glasses.
Let me see.
I can draw your glasses.
Yeah, do it and I will check after.
Look.
Let me see, just one moment. Oh yeah.
Looks like your glasses. I can draw.
Blueberry picking.
Not me.
Blueberry picking. Ten.
Did we go?
Yes.
I just saw the picking.
Yeah, we're done picking. Where is Tito?
It's over there.
Let's go there. Let's rest. Let me eat one.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, it's yummy.
Really yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, there you go.
Mm.
Hey, buy the vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, don't cry.
Mag-vlog ko po.
Pagkabali. Okay,
Massage. May bayo.
Ay, may nabuk yun. Hirap is
Mag-vlog ka pa muna.
Miswak ko kayo itong bahay. Wala na. Ito mo lang itong perso. I remember yesterday. Ito na.
Yan, mayaman na rin. Persa rin.
Ito bilang pula pa eh.
Yan, furs.
Wala yung
Organic furs by the roadside. Ayan. Leme na nakadaling pouch. Ayan, mga friendship, walking, night walk. Around 7, almost 8 o'clock na ng gabi. So, walk muna para lumakas ang resistance. Ayan, mga pababa kami sa kabila paakyat. So, hirap pagpaakyat, mabigat sa yan mga friendship, 8 o'clock na. 8, time check, 8 p.m. Parang 12 noon pa lang. Parang 12 noon pa lang. Police, Abbotsford Police Department. Maganda pababa. Mamaya mahirap pataas.